welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be something different. I'll be unboxing Casetify collaboration with NBA. They sent me some of their really unique limited edition product. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So here is the Casetify parcel when it arrived. It comes with this really cool Casetify parcel with these Casetify words and it's bubble wrap inside, so all your products are really safe and protected. So I already opened it up. So inside actually looks like this. So because this is the NBA and Casetify collaboration, so it comes with this NBA card, and down here it shows Casetify, and behind is this. I'll show you guys a close-up so you guys can read it as well. So basically this card shows that it's a collaboration between NBA and Casetify, and it will be available for you guys to shop on February 17th. But you guys can join their waitlist on their site as well to get a sneak peek of the items and get your hands on it first. So let's get into the exciting unboxing part right now. So this is a close-up of the Casetify NBA collaboration card. So over here I received their iPhone cover and their charger. So it looks really cute and unique, and this is the design that I picked out. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the iPhone cover that I choose. I got it in the iPhone 12 Pro because that's the phone that I'm using. So it fits both 12 and 12 Pro. So the packaging itself is really unique with the NBA logo right here. And over here it says state your case. And here you can see Casetify. It's in this nice box, and behind there's NBA logo as well. So it's the officially licensed cases of the NBA. So then you slide it up and then you have the phone. I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea how the design looks like in detail. So yeah. So this is a close-up of the Casetify NBA iPhone cover. So it comes with the really protective case with the NBA at the back, which is really nice. And here is a close-up of the phone cover. You can see all the different NBA teams and logos on it. I really liked it. I think it's so cool. And when you flip it to the side, it actually looks like this. It comes with the I was made for you. And yeah, it looks really cool. I love the bumper on the side, which makes it super protective. And I can watch it's protective because I dropped my phone and my phone survived. So yeah. Lastly, I also received their wireless charger from Casetify. So this is also a collaboration with the NBA. So the packaging itself also comes with the NBA logo as well as Casetify. And at the back we have the NBA logo again, which makes it really unique, and I feel like they really put much effort in the whole collaboration and showcase it even on the packaging itself, which makes it super worth the price. So yeah, it's gonna be my first time trying wireless charging, so I'm pretty hyped up. So yeah, when you open up, it actually comes in this another packaging to protect your wireless charger. I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can see all the details of this wireless charger. So yeah. So this is a close-up of the wireless charger. It comes with the Casetify protective case as well and NBA at the back. You can see the effort they put in the collaboration. So this is how the close-up looks like. And yeah, it also comes with the team and logos at the front. I choose it in a darker color because I think it's easier to maintain and scratches won't get on it. So yeah, I really look forward to using it. So if you put it side by side, it actually looks similar. And yeah, it's just so cool. I can't wait to use it. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know which one is your favorite design and what do you think of this collaboration. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!